Exposing the secret to weight loss in a tasty way, the smoothie diet is your new best friend. The smoothie diet is a game changer for weight loss. Replace 1 or 2 meals a day with nutrient-packed smoothies. Use fresh, low-calorie ingredients like veggies, fruits, and plant-based proteins. Want the benefits? Effective weight loss, essential vitamins, boosted energy, and better digestion. Try these recipes. For breakfast, a spinach avocado smoothie. 1 cup spinach, 1 banana, 1/2 avocado, and 1 cup coconut water. For lunch, a berry smoothie. 1 cup strawberries, 1/2 cup blueberries, 1 cup almond milk, and 1 tbsp chia seed. Remember to combine the diet with regular exercise, drink plenty of water, and skip the sugar and artificial sweeteners. Stick with it for 1-2 weeks and you'll see results. For long-term success, pair it with healthy eating and an active lifestyle. Good luck with the smoothie diet. Check out the Smoothie Diet guidebook for more delicious recipes and tips.